hug your knee and press your knee to the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Keep your both legs straight, everyone. Now I will take you in the third series of the twisting. Okay. Open arms your shoulder level. So you remember, inhale, exhale, turn on the left side. Left hand a bit outside, then right hand. Both palm should be aligned, everyone. If not possible, some students, they are struggling maybe because of the stiffness in the shoulder. So they can be use the block like that. Like this, they will be have the spot. If anyone have a injury in the shoulder, okay, so they can do the one another thing, they can be drop elbow like that. Or they can use the block, they can be drop elbow like that, and then they can be try the twisting like this. So you all remember, when we come in this, when you twist on the left side, so you have to push your right hip, because when you twist on the left, naturally your right hip will be lift like this. So you have to push. Okay, so you have to be try left shoulder up, right shoulder down, and then twist on the left and right hip down, belly in, and then we stay. One, breathing. Use your left shoulder strength more. 4, 5, belly in, belly in. 6, stay in the pose. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay guys, come back, inhale and exhale, turn on the right side and then try to be stay. When you twist on the right, right shoulder up and left hip down, everyone. 3, breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and relax. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax. Everyone bend forward, hold your feet and flex your feet. Understand? Now we will change the concept. Everyone has to bend your left leg like that. And bend the right leg under the hip like this. You have to be try both legs, knee, just try to be aligned. If someone have a very good hip opening, so they can be try the left leg on the right upper thigh, then they can be push the knee down. But my recommendation in the beginning, try this one. Okay. Now what you have to be do it, I will show you from the back side. So in this practice, open arms shoulder level. Now we will be do the same which we did before. Everyone look at me. turn on the left first. Left knee this. Turn on the left. You have to be drop your left hand first, and then you have to drop your right hand. Okay. What I said, left shoulder have to be up, right shoulder has to be down. Okay, your shoulder can come in a line or not, it's okay, doesn't matter, but you have to be bring that awareness. And during the practice, if your hip is little bit lift up, so no worry, khom sao, no need to worry for it. Because we are bending the position of the right leg, we have to try, we have to bring awareness to push hip down. But if literally lift your hip a bit, so don't worry, but do not hip lift too much up like this, no. Because this will be now a little intense twisting than before. Okay guys, now we will be try open arm shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, everyone turn on the left side. Both palm align, left shoulder up, right shoulder down, push your knee down and give awareness on the hip. Also push your hip down, just you have to be try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use your shoulder strength and relax. Inhale, come back. And then turn on the right side. Right side will be, try right side. Right side will be very easy. Come on. One, 2, 3. Okay, enough. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Palm on the knee and squeeze everyone. Okay. So now change your both legs position. Right leg and bend the left leg under your hip. Open arms your shoulder level. Inhale. This time we will be try the right first. Exhale, turn on the right side. So this time your right shoulder up and your left shoulder down. Come on. 1, breathing. 2, even you are able to do a little twisting, no worry, but try to follow that principles for twisting. 5 and 6. Okay, come back, inhale and exhale, then turn on the left side, everyone. Left side will be easy. 1, 2, 3 and okay. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax. Both palm on the knee, squeeze, suck your belly, look down. Okay, relax everyone. Very good. Keep your both legs straight first. Relax. So now I will give you the one more level up practice in the twisting. So this time, but if someone have a knee injury, knee pain, they have to be take care. First, you have to become in the position of your bending legs like me. Hip will be in between your both feet. Knee closer, everyone. Any student they are finding trouble or feeling complicated, intensive, so they can be use the block under your hip. So now again, and another thing you remember, when you come the twisting in this pose, if anyone feeling compression in the knee or ankle, so they please do a little. You do not need to do very intense twisting, please remember. So this will be the same technique which we did in the last two poses. Same, again open arms your shoulder level. Inhale and exhale, turn again on the left side. Remember, knee together, both palm align everyone, and then try to go down. Come on, try. If you are finding your arm, your hand is not touching the floor, so you can same use the block under the right hand. You have to be observe the knee when you will try intense twisting, so might your knee will start opening here. So you have to be control, knee closer. Four, come on, turn on the left side. 5, 6, 7, and enough. Okay, come back, inhale and exhale, turn on your right side. Come on. One, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and relax. Okay guys, come back, inhale and exhale, relax. Good. Everyone come in the cat pose. Just for contra, alternate. Inhale, push your hip out and shoulder away from the ear. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up, navel point. Inhale, push your hip out, shoulder away from the ear. And exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up at the navel point. Come in the downward facing dog, your legs, arms and spine straight. Come in the upward dog, drop your knee down, push your chest in between your arms, open shoulder, look up. Once again, come back in the downward facing dog, everyone. And again, Drop the knee and come in the upward facing dog. Very good. Again, come back in the cat pose. Now, everyone facing to my side, left knee in between your arms. Or okay, you facing to, everyone facing to my side, you can be changed. Right leg and left leg straight, just facing to my side. So now we will be change the concept. I will be take you the another twisting practice. So this practice I will be divide in the few ways of doing it. So first everyone just look at me, and after that I will give you the some time, and you can be choose any one practice. The practice is you have to put your left hand front like this, and with the left hand you have to be try left hand more and more ahead like this. No? But when you put the left hand front, it's not you have to be bent forward, no. Using the left hand means so that your chest and the shoulder will come out more. Look at me once. So now here will be the optional. This is for everyone. So the practice one is your right hand up and right arm straight over that chest out like that. What I am doing it, I am giving the opening in my shoulder, and I am giving the twist stomach and in my more on the right oblique muscles. So this is the practice one for beginner. And now the practice two. Practice two is for if someone have the more opening in the shoulder and they have the more opening, especially they have the more mobility in the spine. Second practice for them. This one. You can be hold the big toe and then try. But the second practice usually some mistakes. How mistakes are? Any posture you do, you have to be lift yourself. You do not need to shrink in the posture. You need to be lift. So that's why you have to be use the left hand. You can drop left elbow. It's also okay. This or this, but expansion should be there in the shoulder. Either this or this or this or this or this. Now the practice 3. If any student, they are in between in two practice, they are nearby, so then they can be try the another one. Like if they feel ki they are very nearby, so they can be try that one. The same thing. Come on, try. Everyone, take your time and be gentle. So whatever we learn in the twisting, stomach in, spine move with a lengthening, do not shrink the spine. And another important thing, that your shoulder, you have to be focused more in opening your shoulder. Come on, try. Come on, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Okay, come back everyone. What I am doing it, I am just giving the more spot. If some student they are nearby, they can use block, they can, the height can be up more, and then they can try. If you remember, we practice sometime the compass pose. So from this practice you can also come in the compass pose. Compass pose have so many different practices. This, we did already. So these are some different ways of doing the compass, and like here we are focusing more on the twisting. Twisting means when the spine move in the twisting way, where your shoulder, your pelvic, your abdomen, your side oblique means, and the neck is supporting muscle there. So okay, let's try another side. Right leg straight on the right side. So now you see what we did in the first series, what we did in the second series, and what we are doing in the third series. Understand the concept. Come on. So that you see ki almost same thing we are repeating, but we are just changing the concept a bit. So left arm straight over the head, you can be try. Hold the big toe and then keep the chest out, you can be try. Or you can be use the strap, you can be use the block, you can be try. Come on, you have so many options already, everyone. There are a lot of twisting practice. We also combine with so many, like with the hip opening practices. Try. 1, whatever the best option, you just try for that. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, come back. Relax everyone. Come back. Another thing, if any posture you are not able to do it right now, so it's okay, you can be skip. Even we are trying this one, but you should know how to do it. So this is also enough. This is also very nice pose when you are putting your maximum efforts. So now we'll be go one step ahead from this pose. So this time we'll do same concept with the open legs. Opening legs depends on you, depends on any student. Even you are able to do this, even you are able to do this, or even you are able to do more than that. So this is totally up to you. But if it is exactly on the 180, so maybe for some student this is a little difficult to combine balance, so you can be little bit, but it's up to you. If you can maintain the balance, it's fine. If not, so you can do little less hip opening than the normal. So now the same thing, your left hand, right hand up, left hand outside, so that your chest can be come out. Option 1, right arm straight over the head. Option 2, hold the big toe, drop elbow and then chest out. Option 3, with a strap. Try everyone. Do not sit and just look at me. Please come on the mat and please practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, relax everyone. Good. Another thing, if any student they are holding the strap, it's okay, no problem. Anytime when you need the support, you can be try. But see me, look at me. When you use the strap, anytime, so you don't be pushed like that. No. What you try, you have to go near. You have to go near until your shoulder are open. You feel you can be shoulder open more. Go. Go. Okay. Yes. Here. Okay. Everyone depend means, but you have to be try to first maximum open the shoulder. Even this or this. Yeah. Do not be like this. Here. No. Same thing. Maybe last time I explained. When we did the compass pose, when student was lifting the legs and they were trying like this. Yeah. So what you do, you have to be try to go, even your leg is here, you feel your maximum leg position is here, it's okay. Your hamstring flexibility this level, no problem, is fine. But you can work on the shoulder ma. You can be go like this. You can come here. Leg is still here. My leg is still here. Even you can become here. My leg is still here. So you have to be try like that. Don't be try like this. Nah? Remember this thing. Whenever you do any practice, even you do pigeon pose, you do king pigeon, whenever you use the strap, you are giving spot to your shoulder. So please practice like that. Try another side on the right side. Do bend, right hand. Yes, chest out and then try left arm straight. Come on. The same options you have. 1, strong with your right hand. You have to be strong with your base hand. The hand is on the floor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, done. Come back. Relax. This is just gentle practice, it's not advanced practice. Simple, basic. We are still doing basic. Yeah, I am just trying to letting you understand कि in the twisting there are so many different ways to come in the twisting. Okay, later when I'll be take you after this round, then we will be apply whatever we learn in this 3 series. Then I will be apply all these 3 series practice in the last series practice. You will see. Good. Everyone bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then bend your both legs, knee, feet together. Palm on the knee. Again inhale and exhale. Bend forward, relax, and stay 10 counts.